Okay, it's recording.
It's recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay, hi, my name is Mike Sadlowski. I'm here with John Barinello, another designer at Live Oak Landscape Contractors. We just kicked off a project in Westfield on Shackley-Maxon's Hyden residence, and John has come up with a design collaborating with the client, and I just wanted to, John, what was your inspiration around this design for the client at Shackley-Maxon?
The inspiration, we initially did a few different concepts. This particular one that we finalized on was based off of a more formal concept where you come out of these doors here, come onto the patio, and you've got a cross-axis working with a fire pit and a jacuzzi. So they were really into the more formal theme, so that's what we went with.
Even though you've got a strong axis on this design, which I see, which keeps it formal, I noticed that you introduced some tangent curves and some arcs. And how did that come about?
Because one of the other proposals I showed them was a total curve design, and she kind of liked that, but she liked the formality too. But the first formal one was all straight lines, and it was
rectilinear.
Yeah, rectilinear design. It was a little too hard, too many straight lines, too many 90 degrees. So what I did was I combined sort of the two, and you can totally do a formal design with some curves attached to it, like you said, arc tangent, and that's where that was generated from.
So, and even though this design, we've got some hard lines on this design, it's obviously been computer generated, it's still a pretty loose drawing in terms of we don't have things called out, we don't have, you know, the hot tub pointed out, you know, whether this is a seating wall or not, you know, we kind of keep things loose during this process. Is that correct, during the design process?
Yeah, no, they are finalized. So I always tell the clients that it's not set in stone until it's set in stone. So
literally
until the thing's built. So then we can't make changes, but we can always make small changes as we're moving through, which we're actually doing on this project because she's changed her mind on a thing or two based on some conversations we had. So yeah, it's never set in stone. We do know where things are, but they can always change.
That's the beautiful thing about design build. You actually, like you said, it's literally set in stone. There's flexibility in the project along the way. Awesome, awesome. So I see that there used to be an existing patio here, and we've sort of removed that patio. And I see that the guys actually have this area. In some cases, they've got the concrete poured. They're working with the laser level right now, and they're setting grades, and they're getting ready to basically put some concrete block in these areas for the patio. Is that correct?
Yeah, the patio is raised off the ground, so what we have is these lines represent where our levels have to be for the block. We raise it up, pour concrete in, then we can set our bluestone.
Right. So we're actually, at this point, looking at this part of the project right here where this area comes off.
This is the main patio.
Okay, awesome. So it'll be fun following this project as we move along.
Yeah.
I look forward to stopping in here once a week and seeing how the guys progress and, you know, checking in on your progress.
The fun part is to see all the mess and the guys working, and then before you know it, you blink your eyes and there's going to be an awesome patio there.
Awesome. Thanks, John.
Yep, no problem.
We'll check in with you next week.
Cool.